guys, Alyssa here with Diesel Power Products. If your 5.9 Cummins feels lazy on boost, your wastegate might be holding you back. The factory actuator, not built for consistent performance, especially if you start pushing more air. This is where the Afe Bladerunner Wastegate Actuator comes in, designed specifically for the 03 to 07 Dodge Ram with a 5.9 Cummins. This upgraded actuator delivers stronger and more consistent boost control, allowing your turbo to do exactly what it's supposed to do. With a heavy-duty spring and adjustable preload, you can fine-tune your boost levels to match your setup. No more inconsistent boost, just clean, controlled power. Here's how it works in simple terms. It controls your turbo's boost using a spring and pressure. When boost builds high enough, it opens the wastegate to keep things safe. On the Afe Bladerunner, you are able to adjust it by changing the rod length. Shorter rod means more boost. Longer rod, less boost. Just make small adjustments and always keep an eye on your boost, because too much can always cause problems. This part is built tough to handle heat and pressure. So if you want your turbo to perform its best, get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.